Welcome to RC4 Wireless, and would you believe that there are two new wireless devices underneath this swatch book? Let's take a peek. On the left-hand side here, we have our new DMX2 Micro, which is a micro 2-channel dimmer. It can do a total of 3 amps across the whole device. It still has its DMX port output, so you can control DMX devices through this wirelessly. And it is approximately 2.5 inches by 3/4 of an inch. We also have our new DMX Pix Micro, which gives you the ability of doing 500 pixels per output of the device. The great thing about the DMX Pix series is it gives you the ability to group pixels or to replicate internally. So you can use one DMX universe with this device and control 1000 pixels. Each device will come in 2 different options. 1, you can have the option of having an internal antenna, and then 2, you can have the option of having an external antenna. So what would be a good use for the DMX2 Micro? Well, 1, flashlights. Flashlight is a perfect example. It's easy to fit this device inside of here, be able to put your batteries inside also, and keep it lightweight. And if you want to get real fancy, you can throw in here a warm white and cold white LED. You've got 2 dimmers, put this in the crossfade mode, and then you can color mix your color temperature so it looks correct on camera. So if you want to be a little more on the cool side, you can mix to that, or you could be a little bit on the warmer side. So it's a good example of what you can do with the DMX Pix Micro. Well, 1, lanterns. If you frost the glass and you stick a pixel ring inside there, you can get a really sense of motion and color going across as if there was actual flame inside. The second is oil lanterns. If you got yourself some nanopixels, put them in a nice little straight line in there, maybe 3D print a flame, translucent flame, and then frost and dirty up your glass, you can really get a sense of motion up and down by using the pixels. Both micros are currently available through RC4 Wireless. They may be compact, but they are powerful storytelling tools. Keep your eye out for an upcoming video where we use the DMX2 Micro to control a 50-watt dodecahedron. And shortly after that will be another video about how we made an animated dagger for the Queen of the Night using the DMX Pix. Thanks for joining RC4 Wireless. Make sure you drop a like, ring that bell, and subscribe to the channel to stay up to date with new tutorials coming out and how-to videos.